Hey football fans! Welcome back to another exciting breakdown of the latest football action. Today, I'm diving into the nitty-gritty of why Ghana's national team, the Black Stars, couldn't beat Nigeria's Super Eagles in the Unity Cup. This match had everyone on the edge of their seats, and there's a lot to unpack. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. We're going to break down every crucial moment and decision that led to the final score. Alright, so here's the scoop from Ghana's head coach, Otto Addo. He had some pretty candid thoughts on what went wrong. According to Addo, the main reason behind the 2-1 loss was a sloppy first-half display by his team. Ouch. He didn't mince words when it came to critiquing their performance. Nigeria scored both of their goals in the first half, which set the tone for the rest of the match. Those early goals were a real game-changer. Addo didn't hold back in his analysis. He was very clear about what he thought went wrong. He criticized his team's defense, saying they weren't compact and didn't stop the cross. This lack of defensive cohesion was a major issue. He mentioned that the first goal was way too easy and the second one, well, it was a bit lucky. But sometimes luck favors the prepared. But hey, luck is part of the game, right? You can't always predict how the ball will bounce. The coach also highlighted Nigeria's aggression. This was a key factor in their victory. He admitted that the Super Eagles were more aggressive in the first half. Their physicality and determination really made a difference. That aggression paid off, helping Nigeria secure their spot in the final of the Unity Cup. They played with a lot of heart and it showed. Talk about making every move count. Nigeria's strategy was on point and they executed it perfectly. Now let's talk about that one goal Ghana managed to score in the second half. It was a glimmer of hope for the team. It was described as a mere consolation. While it didn't change the outcome, it showed that Ghana had some fight left in them. Yeah, it probably felt like too little, too late. But every goal counts, and it's a reminder that the game isn't over until the final whistle. But it shows Ghana didn't give up, and that's something to respect. Their resilience is commendable. So what can the Black Stars learn from this? There are several key takeaways that could help them improve in future matches. It's clear they need to tighten up their defense and match the aggression of their opponents. Defensive drills and tactical training will be crucial. Addo pointed out that the team slipped in the middle and made it easy for Nigeria. These are mistakes that can be corrected with the right focus and training. These are areas they'll need to work on if they want to bounce back. Consistent practice and a strong game plan will be essential. Ghana fans, it's not the end of the road. Your support means everything to the team. Losses like these provide valuable lessons for the future. Each game is an opportunity to learn and grow. Keep supporting your team. They've got the potential to turn things around. Your cheers and encouragement can make a big difference. And now, a quick call to action. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more in-depth analysis, you know what to do. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay in the loop with all the latest football news and analysis. What do you think Ghana needs to improve? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you and your insights are always valuable. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Stay football crazy, keep the passion alive and never stop supporting your team.